So, can you bring a mug on a plane? And can you pack your favorite coffee mug in your carry-on? If you're like me and love enjoying a good cup of coffee on your travels, stick around for all the answers. TSA rules. According to TSA, you can absolutely bring a mug through security, as long as it's empty. Whether it's ceramic, plastic, or a Yeti, your mug can go in your carry-on bag. Tips for mugs at security. But here's a tip: if you're carrying a full cup of coffee, you'll need to empty it before the checkpoint. After security, you can refill it with your favorite brew. Mugs allowed in carry-on. Whether it's a ceramic coffee mug, a glass tumbler, or a travel mug, all are allowed in your carry-on. No need to worry about pulling it out for screening either, unless it's insulated. Those might need a quick inspection. Packing mugs in checked baggage. You can also pack mugs in your checked luggage, but I wouldn't recommend it if your mug is fragile or special. Checked bags get tossed around a lot, so it's safer to bring your mug in your carry-on. Special note on insulated mugs. If you're bringing an insulated travel mug, like a Yeti, airport security may ask you to take it out for inspection, so pack it in a way that's easy to access. Refilling your mug at the airport. Once you're through security, most airports have coffee shops where you can refill your mug, so you're all set for your flight. To wrap it up, yes, you can bring your favorite mug on a plane. Just make sure it's empty at security, and you're good to go. Whether it's carry-on or checked baggage, your mug can join you on all your adventures. Safe travels and happy sipping. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.